Feng Shui is the art of creating harmony between energy, space, and human life. It's not just about decor, it's about how furniture supports balance and flow. Every placement, direction, and element affects how energy, or qi, moves through your home. A well-arranged space feels peaceful, productive, and naturally aligned with positive emotional energy. Start by understanding your room's layout. Note windows, doors, and natural light sources carefully. Energy enters primarily through doors, so ensure the entryway is clear, bright, and welcoming. Avoid blocking pathways with furniture. Open flow encourages calmness, focus, and refreshed mental clarity. In Feng Shui, clutter is stagnant energy. Remove excess to restore movement and vitality. Balance is key. Arrange furniture symmetrically when possible to create visual and energetic stability. The sofa should face the room's main entrance but not directly align with the door. This position allows awareness of energy flow while maintaining a sense of safety and control. Beds should never be directly in line with doors. Diagonal placement promotes peaceful, secure rest. The command position ensures you can see the entrance while remaining comfortably distant from it. Desks, too, should face the door indirectly to foster focus, leadership, and creative thinking. Light plays a major role. Natural sunlight invites warmth and rejuvenates the space with optimism. Use soft, layered lighting in darker corners to avoid energetic dead zones or heaviness. Each element, wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, represents balance within your environment. Incorporate all five subtly through decor, textures, or colors for complete energetic harmony. Wood adds growth and creativity, while fire inspires passion, movement, and purposeful ambition. Earth grounds your energy, bringing stability. Metal sharpens focus and clarity in your mind. Water enhances calmness, intuition, and emotional flow, perfect for creating peaceful environments naturally. Choose rounded furniture edges over sharp ones. They soften energy and prevent tension buildup. Flow improves when furniture spacing allows easy movement without obstruction or energetic pressure points. Avoid sitting with your back directly to a window. Energy becomes unstable and unfocused. Mirrors amplify energy. Use them mindfully to reflect light or visually expand compact rooms. Never position mirrors facing the bed. It disturbs rest and interrupts energetic stillness. Plants bring life energy. Choose healthy, vibrant greenery to purify air and refresh chai. Avoid dried or artificial plants. They represent stagnant energy lacking natural vitality or renewal. Colors influence mood deeply. Use earthy neutrals for grounding and soft greens for renewal. Light blues invite calmness. Warm tones encourage warmth, communication, and sociable connection with others. Keep your home's central area open. It's the heart where energy circulates freely. Too much furniture in this space restricts flow and weakens the home's overall energy. Corners trap energy. Place soft lighting or plants to encourage circulation and life movement. Avoid placing heavy furniture close to doors. It blocks new opportunities from entering smoothly. Align furniture with intention. Every placement should serve both purpose and emotional comfort. Use rugs to define spaces subtly, anchoring energy and providing visual warmth and structure. Symmetry nurtures calmness, while asymmetry encourages creativity. Balance both for a vibrant environment. Avoid mixing too many design styles. Consistency allows energy to flow without confusion or conflict. Water elements, like fountains or imagery, should flow inward, symbolizing wealth and positive energy. Repair leaks immediately. Water loss in Feng Shui symbolizes financial or emotional depletion. Maintain cleanliness daily. A fresh space ensures energy remains vibrant, positive, and supportive. Fragrance influences flow. Use natural scents like sandalwood, citrus, or lavender for gentle purification. Windows are the home's eyes. Keep them open or clean for clear, energetic communication. Decorate with intention. Every item should hold meaning, connection, or joyful energy for you. Soft textiles enhance comfort. Choose materials that feel inviting and align with your energy style. Furniture arrangement should feel natural, balanced, and promote relaxation rather than overstimulation. Spaces with intentional flow improve sleep, focus, and overall emotional wellness effortlessly. When your surroundings flow harmoniously, your mind and energy align with ease and clarity. The essence of Feng Shui is simple. Harmony in space creates harmony within yourself. Balance, clarity, and mindful placement turn ordinary rooms into supportive sanctuaries for the soul.